Hello everyone. So in this video let us try to understand how Azure subscription model work in our organization. Okay, so whenever you will create any account, okay, so suppose I am having one of the my email address which I am writing. So with this particular email address I have created my Azure account. Okay, suppose this is my email address. With this particular email address I have created my Azure account. So first thing is like you should have a Azure account. Okay, so what actually I have done, I have created my Azure abc@gmail.com. With this particular email address I have created my Gmail account. Now with this particular Gmail you can create a multiple subscription. We can create a multiple subscription. Okay, so for taking example, we can have a free subscription that is available only for the 30 days, right? So I have created one free subscription. I can also have a paid subscription, and I can have a multiple paid subscription. Okay, paid. Similarly here also I will be having a paid subscription. Now under this free subscription, what actually we generally do, we try to create a resource group. We actually try to create a resource group. We can have a multiple resource group here. Okay, similarly for the paid also you can have a multiple resource group. What we call it as a resource group. Okay, under this resource group you can create a multiple services. Like if you want to create a VM you can do, if you want to use a blob storage and all that also you can do. Similarly for the paid also the similar structure generally we follow. Okay, so whenever we will create any services in Azure, what actually we do, we should have a one Azure account. Under this Azure account we will create a free subscription. Under this free subscription we will create a resource group. Under this resource group we will create this all the services like VM, blob storage and all whatever we will learn in a future. Okay, why actually we follow this kind of the structure? Suppose this particular account we have created for the finance. Okay, and this we have created it for the HR in our organization, and this is for the another department. Now with this structure we will get to know which particular department is using more services, from where actually billing is happening more. Okay, so suppose here the 10 services are being using by the user, so that actually we can easily monitor. And suppose if the new person is coming, that directly we can add into this particular account, we can give access and they will be able to access this all the services. Okay, so that is the use case and that is the how actually we are going to follow. Now let us try to see how actually we can create our like Azure account. What we have to do, we have to come to the Google, we have to search for the Azure account. Azure account, free account, something you have to search. Now you can see azure.microsoft.com. click here. It is saying like create your free account. So it is 200 USD is free for 30 days, that actually we are going to use. So click on the start free. Once you will do this, you have to log in with your Microsoft account. Okay, so let me try to show you step. After that you have to give your email address and you have to log in with your Microsoft account, and after that you have to fill your all the details, like the country, region, first name, last name, email address, phone number and all verification. After that the phone verification will happen. Okay, and after that with the help of the credit card 2 rupees will be cut. Okay, and that will be refunded and you have to submit your credit card, and then you will be eligible for the 30 days free account. Okay, 30 days free account, so you can use any services free for the 30 days. Okay, so yeah, that's it.